With less than 40 days to go until Microsoft ends support for Windows 10, have you updated your computer to the latest version of Windows 10? This is a good time to do some checks and see if your system is updated to the latest version of Windows 10. I don't particularly like Windows 11, so I'm gonna stick it out with Windows 10. For those who have never updated their Windows 10 machines to the latest version of Windows 10, here are some steps you can take to do so. From your taskbar, click on the Windows icon here and click on the gear icon here. Settings should take you to the settings window. Then you scroll to update and the security, and you'll be taken to this window on your screen. Now, most computers that are actively receiving updates will display a queue of items right about here, and this will show the status for each, whether they are being downloaded and whether they are being installed. Now, just below that list you will find this reminder from Microsoft that tells you that support for Windows 10 will begin to end in October 2025. They also try to encourage you to enroll in the Extended Security Updates program. Now if you click on it, it's going to take you to a window that looks like this. Now we already know that receiving additional updates for Windows 10 will attract a fee. The question is, how much will they be charging you? Let's see what they say. Now they give us an additional window with more information regarding the extension of the security updates for Windows 10. And we can choose to continue or pause this for later. Let's see what it says. Okay, so on this screen they say that I'm eligible to enroll in the extended security updates at no extra cost. I have until October 13 to do so, so I'm going to go ahead and enroll. So I click on it. Now remember guys, to be an active participant in this extended security feature that's being rolled out until October 13, your computer must be on the latest version of Windows. So that means that either it's above Windows 19 and over, or at least on Windows 21 H2. And those are some technical terms that we throw around, but it's important that you do so. So as of this moment, my computer is going to be receiving extended security updates until the 13th of next month. My bad, the 13th of October. So that in a nutshell is what's happening with Windows 10.